Alright, so our reflector came. Cheapest on Amazon. Two of these red ones were $2.47, I think, at time of purchase. I'll put a link in the description. Okay, so we're approaching the drip irrigation line I buried. Originally, the owner just put in some extra Schedule 40 pipe he had and laid it on top of the road, but the delivery trucks kept running it over, so I added these extra wire fence posts things, doodads. Painted the tips white so you can see it easier, and I added these reflective strips. There's half-inch strips, fit exactly in the middle of this one right here, in that groove. So that worked out pretty good. Line is buried under. I threw some sand on it yesterday to try to help it out. The truck that delivered this actually just passed over this, so pretty good. There's the other one there. I'm glad I got the half-inch instead of the inch. Now, the reason why I got this reflector was for this stick that I put close to the road, because as you can see, the tree is there, and then we got a tree right here. It's a pointer drill. Oh, so this is the Makita drill, which is using the generic Power Extra. Still works good. Use it to drill a lot of holes, and it was also used with one of those scrubber head ends to clean the shower tub area. So worked pretty good. It was charged after. So far so good. Put that there. Now we'll put this guy right here. Maybe there. Here? There. We'll go with that. Reflector install complete. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.